Hello students, welcome to our class, and today we will study this topic, the number having index in form of m upon q. That means the index in form of rational number. Rational number means in this form m upon n. So just see one example. If we write here 8 square raised to the power 1 upon 3. If we write here 8 square raised to the power 1 upon 3. Then we read this number as 1 upon 3 means which root? Cube root. So cube root of square of 8. Cube root of square of 8. Or we can write this number also in this way. Square of cube root of 8. So just solve the value of this. So what is the value of 8 square? 8 square means 8 into 8. And 8 into 8 means 8 8s are 64. And 64 raised to the power 1 upon 3. That means 64 cube root of 64. And cube root of 64 means 4. Because we write the 4 into 4 into 4. Just multiply 4 3 times. So 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. Okay, so we can write here the cube root of 4. See, cube root of 64 is the answer is 4. Okay, now solve this question. What is the cube root of 8? Cube root of 8 means we can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. That means the 3 time multiplication. 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2. That means the 3 time multiplication of 2. So the value of cube root of 8, we can write the value of cube root of 8 is 2. And 2 raised to the power 2. That means 2 square. That means 2 into 2. And 2 into 2 is 4. So you can see here, in both the cases, in both way, the answer is same. If we write here the cube root of square of 8, answer is 4. Or square of cube root of 8, the answer is 4. So in both cases, the answer is same. So today we will solve the problems based on this concept, and just see the practice set, the question number 1 from the practice set 3.2. So question number 1. So just open your textbook page number 16. In a page number 16, the first question is complete the following table. Here the number is given. The number is given. Just take the second question. Question number 1, the question number 2. Question number 2 of the question, main question 1. So what is given? 45 raised to the power 4 upon 5. 45 raised to the power 4 upon 5. You have to write this number in a form of power of cube, power of root. I write the power of root in a short form, okay, but you have to write the full form as given in your textbook. The power of root, and the second form is the root of power. The root of power. You have to write this number 45 raised to the power 4 upon 5 in this 2 form. Okay, so write down first. Write down the number in this form. That means the power of root. The power given in a first. Okay, so and the power is the number that is in the numerator. The number that is in the numerator place, that is a power. And the number that is given in a denominator, that is given in a denominator. So that number is a root. So in this example, 45 raised to the power 4 upon 5, the power is 4th and the root is 5th. Okay, so write down the power of root. So 4th power of 5th root of 45. Write this number, 4th power of 5th root. 4th power of 5th root of the base number is 45. So of 45. So we write this number in the power of root form. The next is a root of power. So write down root first. Root is fifth root. So write down here fifth root of fourth power of 45. I repeat it. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Understand? Just take the next question, the question number 3. The question number 3 is 81 raised to the power 6 upon 7. Write this number in form of power of root and root of power. Listen carefully. Power in this number, the power is the number that is given in the numerator. So power is 6 and root is 7th root. Root is 7th root and 6th power. So write down in this form. So 6th power. Write down here 6th power of, then root is 7th root. 7th root of the base number is 81. So 81. And the root of power form. So root is 7th root. So 7th root of power is 6. So 6th power of the base number is 81. So 81. Okay, understood? So in this way you can solve fill the table 3rd, 4th and 5th question. I explained the question number 2 and question number 3, and question 4 and 5 is a homework. So let's see the question number 2. In a question number 2, what is given? Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. In the form of rational indices. In the first question, we write the number. We write the number in form of power of root and the root of power. 2 form. Okay. So let's move on the second question. The question number 2. Write the number in the form of rational indices. And the first question is square root of 5th power of 121. Open your textbook and open the page number 16. The question number 2. What is the first question? Square root of 5th power of 121. So first write your base number, and your base number is 121. Your base number is 121, and then check square root. Square root means the number that is given in a denominator, that is a root. The number that is given in a numerator, that is a power. And square root means 2, 1 upon 2. Square root means the power of 1 upon 2. So I write down the 2 in the denominator. 5th power, that means I write down the 5 in the numerator. Okay. The next question is cube of 4th root of 324. So write down the base number 324. Your base number is 324. And cube of 4th root of the root, write down the root in the denominator. And cube means the power of 3. Cube means the power of 3. So your answer is 324 raised to the power 3 upon 4. Then third one is 5th root of square of 264. So your base number is 264. 264. And the 5th root. So write down this 5th root in the denominator and square. 5th root of square. Square means the power of 2. So your answer is this. And 4th question is a homework. I hope you understood both question number 1 and question number 2. And then we will study in our next lecture. We will study the practice set 3.3.